Hello everyone, welcome back with me Hildina, and in this video I want to tell materi about relative pronouns. Okay, let's get started. Relative pronouns adalah kata ganti yang berfungsi untuk menghubungkan kalimat yang menerangkan nouns atau kata benda. Kata benda di sini bisa berupa manusia, hewan, ataupun barang. Saat menggunakan relative pronouns, pasti tidak akan lepas dari relative clause. Relative clause terdiri dari relative pronouns yang diikuti dengan kalimat independen lengkap dengan subjek dan kata kerja. Relative pronoun divide into three parts. Number 1 is whose, number 2 is what, and number 3 is the where. Jadi di sini aku akan membahas kata ganti was, what, and where. We going to step 1. In this step, we talk about relative pronoun was. Jadi relative pronoun was adalah kata ganti untuk seseorang. Number 1, we use was mostly for people. For the example, that is the girl was you met yesterday is my mother. Jadi kata rujukan was itu merujuk ke mamaku. Number 2, we often use the possessive word whose in relative clause. For the example, whose husband works for the local government. It means is her husband works for the local government. But you don't confuse was and whose, because whose mean is, who is, or who was. Okay, we're going to step 2. In this step, we talk about relative pronoun word. Jadi relative pronoun word itu kata ganti yang menunjukkan tentang benda. Kata ganti untuk benda. Number 1, what can be used as the subject or object of a verb. For the example, I can't find what I want here. Number 2, we can start a sentence with what if we want to emphasize something. For the example, what I really need to do is move to the capital. And example number 2, what I need is a job. It means is I need a job. That's the important things. Jadi emphasis something ini menunjukkan bahwa dia benar-benar penting. Okay, we going to step 3. In this step, we talk about relative pronoun where. Jadi relative pronoun where itu kata ganti menunjukkan tentang tempat atau place ya. Number 1, we use the relative pronoun where to describe place. For the example, there's a coffee shop where we can go and meet friend. Jadi kata ganti there's a coffee shop where itu merujuk ke tempat yang bisa kita pergi dan menemui teman kita. Number 2, we can also use where without identifying the place it described. For the example, and I need to live where I can get a good job. But sometimes we can leave out where and add a preposition to the verb. For the example, the town where I live or the town I live in. Jadi kata ganti where ini bisa kita hilangkan dan kita menambahkan preposition to the verb. Jadi kita bisa menghilangkan kata where ini dan menggantinya dengan kata in. Oke, itu saja yang bisa saya terangkan di video kali ini. Jika saya kurang jelas untuk menjelaskan bab relative pronouns ini, kalian bisa bertanya di komentar di bawah. Sekian video dari saya. Maaf bila ada salah kata dan maaf bila pronunciation-nya kurang fasih. Thank you for watching. Bye bye guys.